Welcome to Best Choice. The best Pur faucet filter is probably one of the most underrated kitchen upgrades you can make. Clean, filtered water is essential, but finding the right filter can be a hassle. Today, we're diving deep into the Pur faucet filter, exploring its features, ease of use, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to transform your tap water into a refreshing and healthy experience, all while saving money and reducing plastic waste. Number 5. AQUA CREST 6-pack Faucet Filter Replacement. This is the AQUA CREST filter replacement, designed for PUR Plus and other PUR faucet models. It's a convenient and effective way to ensure clean and refreshing water right from your tap. The filter is tested and certified by NSF International. It meets NSF ANSI Standard 42 for chlorine, taste, and odor reduction, and NSF ANSI 372 for lead-free material. You can find detailed certification information on the NSF website. This filter uses premium coconut activated carbon to reduce chlorine by up to 97.2%. It also effectively reduces sediments, rust, and other impurities, improving the taste and quality of your drinking water. However, it does not reduce TDS. For optimal performance, replace the filter every 3 months. The lifespan may vary based on your water quality. This filter offers a long-lasting solution for clean and healthy water. The AQUA CREST filter is compatible with Pur Plus faucet water filters and interchangeable with Pur RF 9999. It fits various PUR classic, advanced, and horizontal faucet mounts. Please note that the above claims have not been tested and certified by NSF. Before using the filter, soak it in clean tap water for 3 minutes to release any bubbles. This simple step ensures the filter functions correctly from the start, providing you with clean water. What we like? This filter boasts a long lifespan, meaning fewer replacements and more convenience for you. It is also NSF 42 certified, ensuring it reduces chlorine, taste, and odor. If you're looking for a filter that offers both great filtration and lasting performance, you should consider this one. What people say. The filter is easy to install. The water tastes great. It is easy to replace the filter. Number 4. Waterdrop Faucet Water Filter, 360 degrees rotating. Introducing the Waterdrop Faucet Water Filter. This filter provides clean and safe water directly from your kitchen sink. It's a convenient solution for your everyday needs. This filter effectively reduces up to 98% of chlorine, lead, sediment, rust, and fluoride. It ensures you and your family have access to cleaner, healthier water. Please note, it works with standard faucets only. Enjoy up to 320 gallons of filtered water, lasting up to 3 months. You can fill a cup in just 6 seconds, thanks to its fast flow rate. Replacement filters are readily available. The filter features a 360 degrees rotating design and is made with food-grade 304 stainless steel. This allows you to direct the water flow as needed, and it's built to last. Installation is drill-free and simple, making it easy to set up in your kitchen, bathroom, or even for your pets. It's a versatile solution for various water needs. What we like? This filter features a 360 degrees rotating design, offering flexibility and convenience in your kitchen. Made with food-grade stainless steel, it's built to last. If you value convenience and a modern design, this filter is a great choice for your kitchen. What people say. The Waterdrop filter boasts a sleek and compact design that seamlessly fits onto most standard faucets. Installation is straightforward, requiring no specialized tools. Equipped with advanced filtration technology, this system effectively reduces a wide range of contaminants, including chlorine, lead, and other heavy metals. Number 3. Fil-Fresh PUR Water Filter Replacement. Introducing the Fil-Fresh PUR Water Filter Replacement. This is a perfect replacement for your Pur Plus faucet water filtration system. It is designed to provide you with clean and refreshing water. This filter is compatible with various faucet water filter systems. It fits classic, advanced, vertical and horizontal models. You can easily find a match for your system. Get the same great filtration at a lower cost. This 6-pack works just as well as the original filters. You can save money without compromising on water quality. This filter uses NSF certified activated carbon and ion exchange. It reduces 99% of impurities, including lead and chlorine. It greatly improves the taste and odor of your water. The advanced structure ensures a smooth water flow. This design provides you with a stable and continuous supply of clean water. Enjoy fresh water every time. Replacing the filter is incredibly easy and requires no tools. Simply unscrew the top cap, remove the old filter, and insert the new one. Then, tighten the cap until it clicks. What we like? This filter offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. It's NSF certified to reduce impurities, ensuring clean water. If you're looking to save money while still getting great filtration, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits perfectly. When I turned on the faucet with the filter, it was black with minerals but cleared up after a few seconds of running the water after. Taste of the water is great. This is a good replacement generic filter. Fits perfectly and was installed in less than 1 minute. Simple to install and works really well. Number 2. Waterdrop G3P 608 Stage Tankless Reverse Osmosis System. The Waterdrop G3P 600 is rigorously tested and certified. It meets NSF ANSI standards for TDS reduction and lead-free materials. This system also reduces chlorine, bad taste, and odor, ensuring your water is clean and safe. It also meets EU and UKCA standards. This reverse osmosis system uses an 8-stage filtration process. It effectively reduces TDS, chromium, PFAS, and other harmful substances. The system removes chemicals like vinyl chloride, ensuring your water is of the highest quality. The G3P 600 features a smart display faucet. The TDS monitor shows the quality of your filtered water. The filter life tracker lets you know when it's time for a replacement, making maintenance easy. This system produces 600 gallons of filtered water per day with a 2:1 pure-to-drain ratio. It fills an 8-ounce cup in just 8 seconds, perfect for drinking and cooking. This system provides fast and efficient water filtration. The tankless design saves up to 70% of undersink space. Changing the filter takes only 3 seconds without any tools. Please ensure your cabinet dimensions are larger than 18.12 L x 5.67 W x 17.72 H. What we like? This reverse osmosis system offers an 8-stage filtration process for the cleanest water possible. It also features a smart display faucet to monitor water quality. If you want the most advanced filtration and a modern, space-saving design, this system is perfect for you. What people say. It displays TDS level each time you pour water. Installation is not difficult. Easy to install, works immediately, and tastes great. Number 1. SimPure T1-400 ALK Alkaline UV RO System. This SimPure system is certified by SGS, ensuring its exceptional quality. It removes over 99.99% of contaminants, giving you confidence in every glass of water. It effectively eliminates harmful substances, providing you with clean and safe drinking water. This system restores natural alkalinity and mineral balance. The alkaline filter adds essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. This results in a higher pH level, making your water more refreshing and healthy. The UV water purifier offers extra reliability. The tankless design saves space and prevents secondary contamination. It provides fresh, clear water on demand, right from your tap. It produces up to 400 gallons of clear water per day. With a 1.5:1 pure-to-drain ratio, it minimizes water wastage. Enjoy superior efficiency and a better lifestyle with the system. The system comes with quick-change filter cartridges, delivering 1057 gallons of purified water. It helps you reduce plastic waste and save money. It's an enhanced lifestyle, making every sip sustainable. SimPure, based in Seattle, is committed to world-class water filtration. They offer support for the lifetime of your product. If you're not satisfied, their team is ready to assist you. What we like? This system not only filters water but also adds beneficial minerals for enhanced alkalinity. It also includes UV protection for extra peace of mind. If you are looking for a system that provides clean, mineral-rich water and saves space, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The SimPure T1-400 UV unit is excellent. The installation is easy, just need to make sure you have a power outlet in reach of the cord and close to the cold water hookup. This new system filters it completely, and the water tastes amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.